Good afternoon wherever you are, and I do apologise, my girly dogs are going mental over a cat on the fence and there's nothing I can do about it. The cat's gone, but the dogs think it's still there. Anyway, another unboxing. This time, this is from KC, from Metal Mania 3D, all the way from Tasmania. You've seen Metal Mania race on the track. They've had great success. They are in the top 10, and let's get into this unboxing. I'll open the contents and have a look. There's the contents from the box that KC has sent from Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. Now these cars here are not racing in hot rods. These are for two other tournaments that are happening later on in the year, and at this point they are closed because I do have other sponsors that are sending in cars. However, I will show you what we have. Right here we have some Lamborghinis, and over here we obviously have a truck. Later this year we're going to have a Lamborghini tournament and also a truck tournament. So I'm very excited about that. That's something that I've always wanted to do. So let's have a quick look and see what we have, starting with this one here. It's a Lamborghini police car. If that camera will grab it. I've always wanted to do a Lambo tournament. I have quite a few myself and I was short of a couple, and others around the world have really helped out, and this will all be revealed later down the track when all the cars arrive, and then we'll get everything sorted. This one here I'm pretty sure is the, excuse my pronunciation, the Gallardo. I think that's how you pronounce that one, Lamborghini Gallardo. There's no year on that. 2002, sorry, I'm incorrect again. 2012. They do race extremely well on Mount Western Raceway, and they are light, so there's that one there. All these cars are actually racing for KC and his team. So now this one here, I've never seen this. It's got a little bit more weight than the other one. This is called the, how do you pronounce this name? Estoque, I think that's how you pronounce it, Estoque, Lamborghini Estoque. If I'm incorrect, please someone correct me. I don't know how you would do it because you can't speak to me. However, I think it's called the Estoque. Not too sure. But look, these are all stock, you know, and they will race extremely well on the track. And let's have a look at the last Lambo. I'm not too sure, Hurricane? Maybe this is the Hurricane. As I say, when I take these things out of the box, I really don't know what I'm looking at. So this one here, if that camera can focus, this is a 2016 Lamborghini Hurricane. That's it. So yet another Lamborghini that will go into the tournament. Sorry, you can see my dogs walking around here. It's a bit of a challenge. They're very inquisitive. So KC, that's going to be awesome in the Lambos tournament. And as I mentioned, we're having a truck tournament later on down the track. I have a stack of trucks and I didn't know what to do with, and I must have made mention somewhere about a truck tournament, and others have jumped on the bandwagon, which is fantastic. And look at this thing here, the Chevy Silverado. That sits pretty low. Be very interesting to see if that actually can race on the track, KC. We'll give it a crack. I've never seen this in Australia, and I always say this, when you go to the shops, they're completely, I want to say a word and I almost said it, they're completely, there's nothing left. Yeah, it's all that fantasy stuff and all that. All the good gear is just gone, so I've never seen this one before, so good on you, mate. I thank you so much. Don't forget, everyone, to subscribe, like, and give KC a huge round of applause, a huge thumb ups, and go and check out his YouTube channel. Also go check out his website where he has a lot of stuff for sale, a lot of wheels and all that sort of stuff. So KC and Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. Friggin' legend, mate. We will see you on the track with this lot. And you did send an email saying there's more customs coming, so I can't wait to see what you do in your workshop in regards to customs. So good on you. I'll catch you guys later.